Previous generations of technology, in many ways, have just simply delivered a digital version of the same work that was being done, in many ways like a smart filing system. AI actually allows you to deliver a significant way of actually changing the way the work is done. In some places, AI can actually replace the way that work is done by humans. The other key thing is not just the actual change in the technology, but I think it's the timing. The industry is a bit of a pinch point. The critical milestones for delivery are fast approaching. The industry can't hire its way out of the problem, and so they need to find more effective ways to deliver solutions. And I think AI is a realistic prospect for that. AI is only truly able to deliver the value, the promise, if the data that it's working with is accurate. So the system of record, in our case, the core Sitetracker platform, gives you that ability to structure and manage the data in an efficient way. You then have the power of layering the AI on top of that, really allows you to deliver with confidence that the work that the AI is doing is grounded on contextualized data based on your industry, based on your business. The ability to scale your business without simply scaling your headcount in a linear fashion is something that all businesses are striving to do. The linking with the system of record and AI with Sitetracker not only gives you that confidence that the information, the data that you're using is accurate, but it provides a full audit trail so that you're able to understand what decisions are made, how they're made, based on what data, when they're made, and by who. That's a critical differentiator in a regulated industry like energy and solar. Most organizations are thinking about how can they get their capital deployed more quickly and put that capital to work. AI has the opportunity to significantly shorten that process and put that capital into projects and start delivering a return more quickly. During the construction phase, AI really helps support the meeting of key delivery timelines. These have real financial consequences. Missed times delivering of permits, meeting key milestones, carry a financial impact, both in terms of delaying the time to putting assets to work, but also many of the contracts in place with our construction clients actually carry significant penalties. AI can really support that process and bring awareness to when those milestones are unlikely to be missed and allow the teams to prioritize where they're working. Degradation of the assets is a key concern for many of the asset managers. AI really allows you to provide a day-to-day monitoring system to both understand how the asset is performing in the real world, providing real-time updates from sensors, from drones, from a range of different information capture and methods, feeding that into Scout, our AI platform, and assessing that in relation to key aspects of the contract that you have with the asset manager to understand whether there are warranties, service conditions, and again, it allows you to both understand the risks of those, but equally kick off workflows that put people to work to either maintain, to service, or to inspect the assets in response to whatever you've captured. Thinking about this as a European region and many of our customers in the region, understanding in detail how we are managing their data, where that data is stored and managed is really important to them. One of the key aspects of Sitetracker is the way that our users of the system are able to access information. So in Sitetracker, we have a permissions-based model so that effectively, based on your role within the company, you're given certain access to certain information. That's a key part of the Sitetracker platform. When you use Scout, all of those permissions are inherited by the users. So they're only able to access the information that their role allows. And so again, just because that information is in the AI, it doesn't mean that they're able to access it in the same way that it would be if they're using the Sitetracker system. The second aspect that's really powerful and important to our customer base is that audit trail that we provide. So every action, every access to information has a full audit trail in relation to why that information was provided, why that data was accessed, by who and when, and what work was performed around it. So if for whatever reason in the future you need to understand exactly how information has been used, you have all of that audit trail available to you to check. One other important aspect that we work on with many of our customers is the question of buy versus build. Many customers are experimenting with a range of the AI models available on the market today. They feel very familiar to them. Many of them use them at home as well as in work. The key consideration, we believe, is that Sitetracker Scout AI is a solution that's built for the industry in mind and comes with a pre-built set of capabilities that really deliver important aspects to a regulated industry like solar and energy. So again, some of the things that I've just referred to, things like that ability to provide that audit trail, the understanding of how information is used, is not available in a normal generic LLM. There's a library of agents that have been built specifically for customers within the solar energy. And so every one of our customers has the ability to simply pick and choose in a kind of a app store kind of model, agents that they can deploy, built for their business, built for their industry, straight off the shelf. There's a lot of solutions that look really impressive in a demo situation. They can be put together to show very high impact solutions that, again, in a generic sense, may look impressive. But the key things that are important to our industry, again, when you really look under the covers, often aren't there. So the ability to deliver that grounded trust so that when you ask a question of the AI, it delivers information and answers that are consistent. Many of the generic LLMs, if you ask them a question 3 times, you possibly get 3 different answers. Other elements that are maybe less sexy in a demonstration, like I've referred to previously, like the audit trail, where the information is stored in Europe, things like that. They maybe demo less impressively, but they're critical for businesses in Europe. Generic AI, it might be able to summarize a document really impressively, but it wouldn't necessarily be able to give you the context of how that document relates to the overall development process within an energy business. So it's really providing that context that Scout, based on its understanding of the industry, can provide. We work with companies that are all different stages in their AI journey. Some, at the beginning, just experimenting, some are very advanced. As a generic advice, is to look at your business and think about the areas that are pinch points. Which are the processes in the organization where things are getting stuck? And think about how could technology, or in this case, AI, support that process? What are we able to automate? What are we able to replace? And that not only gives you a great focus, but it allows you to deliver significant impact to the business, which creates momentum around the project and significant buy-in for adoption. AI is really limited or enhanced by the state of your data. So really thinking about how you currently manage your data and think about the quality of it, because effectively the outcomes delivered from AI are either magnified positively or negatively based on the state of that data to start with. If you'd like to learn more about Sitetracker, please visit our website or reach out to any of our teams. We have teams globally. We're here in Europe right now. We have office in London. We're based in the US. We'd love to speak to you and look forward to connecting with you live.